Alright gang, hey, we're back at our favorite campground out here at Willow Creek Campground in Lamar's. Couple racks of baby backs going on the pellet cooker today. Canola oil, simple binder, and we got something new we're gonna try. My own fancy labeling, as you can see. Maybe Uncle Steve will hire me to do his labels now. This is a blend of gator shake, thick meat, sweet and spicier, and original, along with a little bit of brown sugar and honey powder in here. We're going to try this for a rib rub, see how it does. I'm liking the color, the way it's sweating in already. So we're going to get the Masterbuilt Pellet Cooker fired up here and get some ribs on. All right, there we go. Masterbuilt is up to temp. 2 racks on, supper tonight. I got my biggest rib critic sitting here behind me, and her mouth is already watering. So let's see how it goes. Bring you back in a short. All right, you can hear the pellet cooker working away. We're 2 hours and 15 minutes in. Pretty happy with the color we have on these. So let's go ahead and get our wrap ready. We'll bring you right back. All right, let's get ready to wrap. Magic Blue Bottle, everybody knows what that is. Huckabee Farms Hickory Smoked Honey is what we're using today. In here we have honey powder and some brown sugar that'll run through the food mill just to make it a little finer. So let's get started. Lay down our little bed here. Move my tongs. Get that out of the way. All right. A little drizzle of honey. Don't need a lot with the honey powder in here also. So just to get that little hickory smoke. The wind's having a little fun with us today, but it'll be all right. All right, first rack going down. Repeat and wrap. Gonna do both racks. We'll bring you back later. Thanks, Kay. All right, ribs are unwrapped. Nice little bone pull on them. Not a big bone pull, but hey, it's family-friendly food. It's not competition ribs. So ignore my buddy in the background there. He's on crack. So you saw him in the last video with the brisket ribs and chicken wings. So same guy, because we're at his campground. I'll give you a picture once we sauce these up and bring you back when it's time to eat. All right, let's take a look at these ribs, gang. These are definitely family-friendly ribs. They're probably going to fall off the bone, and I'm pretty sure my daughter's going to be very happy with that. Not by any means competition recipe as far as the time. You can see the bone exposure right there on the back. Lift them up. There you can see it without sliding them off. So we're going to get a few of these cut up. Definitely cuts real nice. And these are the baby back. So a lot of times you get that extra little knuckle bone like right there. Turn the tip of your knife, guys, should go right around it. But let me show you this. Nice little smoke ring, everything on it. Let's give it a try. What do you say? Actually, a damn nice bite. Oh my. All right, You get that pop from the citrus right off the top. You get just a touch of the sweet and spicier on it. And then Uncle Steve's Original takes over, gives that full savory flavor. But then you get the honey and the brown sugar with it too. So we're gonna call these good. I'll see if I can get a taste tester on camera here shortly. Otherwise, guys, 4 hours, 20 minutes in the Masterbuilt pellet cooker. Piece of cake. Hey, any pellet cooker will work, any kettle will work, offset. Get out and barbecue, guys. Experiment, have a little fun, enjoy yourself. Food's meant to be enjoyable. So until next time, gang, thank you very much, and we'll see you then. How is it, honey? Good? Tender? Yeah? Very? Flavorful? Cool. Yeah, did good? Awesome. Thanks, honey.